In this video, I want to show you how to install a torch down roof on the parapet wall itself. Let's get into it. Alright, now that we've got our torch down on our roof installed, I want to show you how to install torch down on our parapet walls. It's similar, presents a few different challenges that the roof deck does not. When you're working on a parapet wall, obviously you're worried about sliding down. So when you're working on a parapet wall, you want to come down past your can strip 6 inches. So that's an important measurement to remember. Your roof membrane should come up past your can strip about 1 inch or 2. And then the parapet wall membrane will come down 6 inches past your can strip, and you'll have a double layer of protection in this corner here. When installing and measuring out the membrane for the parapet wall, we generally work in 3 to 4 foot sections. If you do a long run, let's say a 10-foot run, it gets extremely difficult to balance this out, to work behind it. You'll probably need 5-6 guys holding the membrane. So it's always easiest to work in 4-foot sections and just do smaller pieces at a time. So we've marked out 6 inches past our can strip, hold it in place with our feet. And once we have this set, we're ready to cut the top edge. After we cut it to size, we're gonna flop it back, torch the top half, then do the same thing on the bottom half. So we've got our top half torched down already. Now we're ready to torch this down. Before we do that, similar to when we do our laps on our field, we want to cut this down at a 45-degree angle. Generally, whenever you're overlapping one layer of torch over another on your end laps, you want to make sure you don't have 3 layers overlapping each other in a corner. So doing this will ensure that we have a good seam right here when we overlap 6 inches on our next piece. Now we're ready to lift this up, torch it down, and we'll continue with our next section going forward. Alright, so we've already got one row or one layer of our torch down roofing on our parapet wall. Generally speaking, we would use a full width of a roll, meaning that we would have this film on our side laps. Now in this example, we have not done that. So what we're going to do is actually do the same thing that we did on our field. Burn this off, embed the granules so that we have a nice tight seal at our end lap. You know, it's not all the time that you have this finish wherever you want. So whenever you don't, the concept remains the same. You burn this off, take the granules off, so you have a nice tight end lap going. We want to have a 6-inch overlap at our end lap. So anytime that we don't have the adhesive strip, we can go 6 inches. We're all wrapped up here with this parapet wall. You saw an example of how we did the end lap, how we did the side laps. Really, this joint here is not as critical as the rest of the joints on the roof because, again, remember, if it does happen to leak here or water doesn't happen to enter here, we still have a layer of roofing that's going underneath it and up the parapet wall. This really provides us a double layer of protection in some of the most vulnerable areas, which are the corners of the roof. Then the end laps, we also saw how we remove the granules to get a proper bleed out and a good seam when we don't have that 3-inch seam. Guys, thanks for watching. We have a lot of other videos on this channel about torch down roofing. If there's anything that you like to do different, let us know below. We'd love to hear from you. Give us a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.